Selamat pagi, shalom, salam sejahtera untuk kita semua. Perkenalkan, nama saya Sebastian Julianto Dwi Kusuma, mahasiswa PPG dalam jabatan Universitas Muhammadiyah Purwokerto tahun 2023. Pada kesempatan kali ini, saya akan menampilkan video pembelajaran aksi kedua, materi Descriptive Text about Keep Our Environment Clean and Comfortable. Kelas 11 SMA Kristen Purwokerto. Selamat menyaksikan. Terima kasih.
Pagiku cerah, matahari bersinar, ku gendong tas merahku di pundak. Selamat pagi semua, ku nantikan dirimu di depan kelasku, menantikan kamu. Guruku tersayang, guru tercinta, tanpamu apa jadinya aku? Tak bisa baca tulis, mengerti banyak hal, guruku, terima kasihku.
Okay, good morning everyone. Okay, how are you today? I'm fine too, thank you. As usual, before we start our class today, I'd like to have prayer together. Mari bersama-sama kita awali hari ini dengan doa. Mari kita berdoa. Selamat pagi Tuhan Allah Bapa dalam surga. Terima kasih Tuhan atas segala berkat-Mu pada pagi hari ini. Tuhan Allah Bapa dalam surga, kami bersyukur Tuhan atas penyertaan-Mu dari malam hingga pada pagi hari ini, dari rumah kami masing-masing hingga sampai teman dengan selamat. Tuhan Allah Bapa dalam surga, bersama-sama kami akan kembali belajar bahasa Inggris ya Tuhan. Berkatilah dari awal hingga akhir. Semoga pelajaran ini bermanfaat bagi kami kelak. Dalam nama Tuhan kami berdoa. Amin. Okay, let me check your attendance first. Azeka, izin. Oke. Cesar, izin juga. Christabel, oke. Christian GP, oke. Oke, guys. First of all, I'd like to thanks ya. In our last meeting, we have discussed so many things ya. Kita diskusi banyak hal. And you did some good job on summative assessment. And I'd like to apologize first. In the end of our last meeting, I forgot to ask you to fill about student reflection. Yes. Jadi teman-teman, today I will show you the menu ya, or your today activity. Okay, here I have presentation. You can see there. And this is our menu today. Ya. Our activities today. There are 4 main activity. The first thing is let's find out. Yeah, I have prepared some link in your Google Classroom and you can check it later. And the second, as usual, I want to you make a group. Then the third one, let's review your discussion. And the fourth, evaluation. Yeah, I have prepared just one quiz. Yeah, today we only have one quiz, yeah. So today is easier than yesterday. Okay, the first thing, let's check your Google Classroom. Open Canva link. Have you got it? Have you opened it? The title, Domestic Quiz. To maximize your appearance on your cell phone, you can press the button yeah, on the right side, right corner. Yeah. Okay, first of all, we try to find out, yeah. Let's find out together, yeah, that you have learned yesterday. Today we learn about some new words about domestic waste. Okay. Let's check first. Okay, what is that? Waste. What is waste? You can see the definition here. Waste, unwanted or unusable material. Next, second, we have recycle. Do you know what is recycle? Mendaur Ulang. Very good. Yeah. You can see in the definition here, to short and to collect rubbish in order to treat it and produce useful material that can be used again. Yeah. The main point is we use it again. Third one, we have environment. What is environment? Lingkungan. Okay, very good. Yeah, you can see in the definition here, the air, water, land, in or on which people, animals, and plants live. Yeah, that's the first thing. Yeah. Berikutnya, next. Back to your Google Classroom, please. I have sent you the second link about Mentimeter. Yeah, I'd like to make survey based on what we have heard before. Whoever cannot join the Menti, you can open your browser. You type on your browser menti.com. I have 3 slides, and I hope you can give your best answer. Then, after you type menti.com, enter and input or insert this code 112802224. Got it? Okay, very good. Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys, I have 3 slides. Whoever success or find the question, you can answer the question directly in the box. Maximize word is only 25. Okay, the first question. What come into your mind when you hear domestic waste? Try to type in English, yeah. Okay. Waste that is not valuable. Sampah yang tidak ada harganya. Next. What else? Everyone can answer. Ya, give your best thought. Give your best idea. Silakan. Waste can damage the ecosystem. Wah, dapat merusak ekosistem. Oke. Waste from household, sampah dari rumah tangga. Oke, what else? Plastic shopping waste. Oke. Oke, I think that's enough. Ya, good. My second question. In your opinion, why do people here find it difficult to maintain cleanliness? Lazy. Okay. I think all the answer will be lazy. Not important. Don't care with environment. Tidak peduli dengan lingkungan. What else? Apa lagi? Very lazy and stupid. Lazy and disgusted, ya. Okay, all of you answer lazy. Okay. So you are agree, ya? People lazy to maintain cleanliness because they are lazy. Last question. What kind of domestic waste can you find around you? Botol, okay, botol. Leftover food, wah, sisa makanan, iya nih, ya. Plastic food waste, okay. Baby diapers, okay, very good. Okay, thank you, guys. Ya, thanks about your all responses. Ex mantan, oh, okay. Your ex is a waste. Okay, guys. As usual, yeah. Before we continue, I want you to make a group. Yeah, I want make 6 group. Please make a group consist of 3 or 4 people. Okay. Group 1, Evelyn, Siska, then Yuli and Renata. Second group, maybe I will ask Jojo, Elsa, next, Jevan, Lando. Okay, please sit with your group. Yo, come on, make it quick. Before we start our discussion, I'd like to give our learning purposes. Today, I hope you are able to understand implied information in the text descriptive about domestic waste in Indonesia. The second thing is about you are able to analyze implied information in the text descriptive about domestic waste in Indonesia. Please open your Google Classroom. Yeah, I have prepared a text. I hope this is here for you. Nah, there you are. Indonesia plastic waste problem. Okay, before you read the text, once again with your friend, you write some questions. Today, I want you to make 5 questions about the text, like yesterday. As usual, write the question on your book, one group, one book. If you need any help, as usual, raise your hand and I will come to you. Yeah. Yeah. After you write the questions, you can take notes, yeah, or keywords from the text to help you answer your questions. Yeah. What is the topic? Iya. Boleh. Oke. Boleh. You may. Okay, you have 13 minutes left to discuss. Don't forget to take some notes or keywords from the text to help you answer your questions. If you have write all the questions, yeah, you can answer the questions now. After this, yeah, I want you, each group, tell us about what you have read. What is your question? Besides, pakai S loh ya, besides loh ya, bukan decided tapi beside. Beside itu tuh kalau beside without S itu di samping, tapi kalau pakai S itu di samping ya, begitulah intinya.
Ngomongin apa sih? Fine.
Besides sama S, plastic. You can make or you can write the questions exclude the text sih. Kamu bisa membuat pertanyaan tapi di luar teks gitu loh. Misal gini, for example gini, what does the writer expect to the reader by reading the text? Paham nggak maksudnya?
Ya, lebih baik jujur toh.
Iya sih. Maksudnya gini.
Pura-pura ngerti malah nggak mau.
Oke, yuk, that's enough. Okay, it's time for us to review what you have done, what you have written. Okay. I'd like to ask from group 1. While I ask them, please all of you listen to them ya. I want to ask you ya from group 1. Ya, what is the text about? Plastic waste. Where? In Indonesia. In your opinion, what is the bad impact of domestic waste? Yeah, everyone can help. Everyone can help. Marine life, kehidupan di lautan menjadi become rusak, broken. Oke, polluted. Ya, enough. Cukup. Good. Move to second group. I will ask you. Ya, please tell us. Ya. Why Indonesia become the second country that contributes the most waste in the world? Yeah. So cheap. Oh, so the production in Indonesia is cheap. Okay, so many people use plastic. Oh, very good. Bagus sekali. Kevin, can you tell us what is the bad impact of domestic waste to our environment? Hmm?
Even technical life as animals often get entangled in the plastic waste and die.
Ah, okay, good, very good, nice, sip. Oke guys, ya, very good, bagus sekali. Back to your GCR, kembali ke Google Classroom-mu. You can see here, individually ya, write your talks in the GCR comments column. And now, ya, you write, ya, you just type and write, ya. What you have read, I will help you here. Please write your talk, your idea in Google Classroom comment. I hope by you writing your ideas, by your writing your talk, yeah, your friend also can learn. So we can learn each other. Try to type in English. Yeah, try to make brief comment about the conclusion, yeah, from the text. Tarlando typed about the large amount of plastic waste in Indonesia, which is destroying the ecosystem in Indonesia. Yeah, complete answer. Angel, I can learn about plastic waste problem in Indonesia. I know that plastic is a serious problem in Indonesia that must be addressed immediately. Okay, very good. Okay, whoever has done, type in the class comment. Back to your GCR again, and this is the last task. Oke, ya, the last part nih. Summative assessment. Guys, first, ya, you answer the quizzes first ya. Just 5 questions ya, as usual. After that, please fill about the student reflection. This is only 5 questions. Okay, please do your task now. There are 5 questions there, yeah, like what is the text about? Then the second question, why do people in Indonesia like to use plastic product? The third question, what is expected from the readers after reading the article? The fourth, clock up, has similar meaning with. And the fifth question, what had the government done to reduce the use of plastic product? Yeah, it is same what with you read before. Okay, you have 6 minutes, yeah, 6 minutes to finish this task. Okay, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 students haven't finished yet. After you finish quizzes, back to your GCR again, and please fill student reflection. Okay guys, I think you can carry on after this. Okay teman-teman, listen carefully. Okay guys, so today we have learned about descriptive text about keep our environment clean and comfortable. And we have discussed about Indonesian waste problem. And also how to analyze or how to find implied meaning in descriptive text. Sampai di sini. Is there any question? Ada pertanyaan? Okay, I think that is enough for today. Cukup sampai di sini. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you, see you and bye-bye. Okay, thank you semuanya. Thank you everyone.